Just opened these Omaha Steaks Private Reserve. These are the beef strip loin steaks, 10 ounces each. Look at these. Comes in this beautiful box. Steak without compromise. Gives you a chart on the back for cooking. Look at this. Look how gorgeous these are. Oh my gosh, the marbling. Look at that. I'm definitely going to be thawing one of these out for dinner tomorrow. So I'll be cooking this up tomorrow, so I'll see you then. The Private Reserve Omaha steak is thawed out. I'm going to let it reach around room temperature, and then we're going to be making it in this pan. I'm going to be seasoning the steak with kosher salt, pepper, garlic, and then spritzing olive oil on it before putting it in the pan. You always want to heat the pan before putting in the steak. Remember, when you place the steak, you want to hear a sizzle. This is a rather thick steak, so I'm going to be cooking it a little bit lower than usual to get a nice, even cook throughout. So because I'm only going to have half of the steak tonight, I took it out a little early, cut it in half. This one's a little rare for me, but that's okay. I'm going to let it rest, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge, and that way when I warm it up tomorrow for dinner, it'll still have a little ways to cook. This one, as you can see, I put back on the pan. Going to cook it just a little bit more, so I'm going to be eating this one right away. Here is the beautiful finished product. You can see I made myself some vegetables as a side dish. Let's cut into it and see how it tastes. All right, well, thank you again for joining me. I'm on this journey of getting meat online, frozen, and seeing how good it is, basically. Again, these are the Omaha Reserve Private Reserve steaks. Oh, man. Absolutely fantastic. I did a nice job seasoning them, getting a beautiful sear on the outside. I can't believe I got these in the mail. Wow, these are really, really good. I highly recommend them. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.